Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Cyprus. The local time is 2 hours ahead of the UK, making it 1:30. The outside temperature lovely 27 degrees. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now that we've left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave the aircraft, please do ensure you've got everything with you. Checking the seat pockets in front of you, under your seat and in the overhead compartments. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments in case anything has moved around during the flight, which could fall out and hurt someone. For your information, any items of lost property that the cabin crew finds once you have disembarked the aircraft, these will be handed to our agents here at Paphos Airport. We do not take any items of lost property back to the UK. If you were given an additional seatbelt or life jacket, then please leave these on your seat, as these are required for our flight back to Manchester. If you've checked in a child's buggy, you'll be able to collect this with your luggage in the arrivals hall. And for those of you who have requested assistance here, if we can please ask you to remain seated until all other customers have disembarked so the cabin crew can assist you. Please have your passports ready for the immigration authorities here, and as a reminder, smoking is not allowed. This includes electronic cigarettes. If you're on holiday with Thomson First Choice or Sky Tours, you'll need to look out for the TUI reps in the arrivals hall. TUI is really easy to spot. It shares the same red smile logo as Thomson Airways. It's also the name you'll see on your transfer coaches, excursions and reps uniforms. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you've enjoyed your flight with us today. We'd like to wish you a fantastic holiday here in Cyprus, and we look forward to seeing you on your return flight home with us. Thank you for flying Thomson Airways, and a very good afternoon to you all.